Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Today I'm here with my May favorites. That's a bag, and I just kept putting things in here so that it'll be easier for me to show you. Let me get started. Bioderma Nourishing Cream. This is a body lotion which I am really enjoying because it is very nourishing, very creamy, and just gives that soft, supple, beautiful skin. And it just absorbs really quickly, so I don't have to deal with that super greasiness. So that's why I love, and I anyways love Bioderma products. So more to try from the brand. Already tried 3, and these are like my superhead staple products. Yeah. And the best part was, if you just could see here, it says that adults, children, babies, face and body. So really a very cool product, and I totally trust this. So a shout out to this product. If you are aware of the brand, of course I think you are, but if you are aware of the product, very good and very nice that you are enjoying it. But if you are not and you want to try it, definitely give it a go. It's really nice. Okay, just grabbing the products out of the bag. So yeah, there is no sequence in here. Let me see what I get. Sephora Best Skin Ever. Ever since I've got my hands on this foundation, I've been trying it because it is satisfying me, my needs from a foundation. Luminous feel, not greasy, not matte, and of course quickly absorbing foundation. I could use it with my hands, with my brush, with my sponge, and it has been tested properly throughout the month. I've been using it, of course, with my It Cosmetics CC cream sometimes, and sometimes just this foundation. And everything that I want from a foundation, it is covering, plus at a great price point. So if you just want to test a new foundation, I think you should give it a go and see for yourself, because I got it for mixing purpose. I just wanted a shade deeper because of these summer months, and because I got some color on me, which I love during summer months. So I just wanted something that could be mixed and match, and that I could just simply wear, which won't be heavy or greasy or matte, anything like that, because I have got normal skin type and I really like foundations that can give me that skin like feel. So this is for that purpose. It has got medium to buildable coverage. You can go light-handedly or you can go full on, as you please. Love it. And if you want to check more, I've got a video that covers this, and definitely you will get some nice idea from that video. So link is down below. Next product. Loving it so much, and you can see that on my face. That big smile comes with a big jar of this body scrub from Drunk Elephant. I love the products from Drunk Elephant, but this one has just won my heart because every time I want to reach out for this product, I just want to go for it every single time, every single day. But still I am just trying to be a little less generous with this one because I am so much in love with it. Plus it's a body scrub, and it will give you that nice polished skin and super supple, plumped up, firm, and actually you will see and feel the glow. So I just love this product so much, and I am head over heels for this product from Drunk Elephant. It smells heavenly. If you love almond, it will give you that feel. It has got that beautiful, nice texture to it, which is just perfectly balanced, so that you can get a nice gentle massage with the scrub. It just scrubs away all the dry skin and adds the moisture back. And of course, I think it just locks in the moisture and it just gives that beautiful polished skin. Love it. Next, new to me, and I am so much into it, and very happy to say that my husband is also joining the party. He loves this product too, and he has got oily skin type. I've got normal skin type. We are enjoying it and we are very happy with this product from Biossance, and I'm very much into it because I was very excited when I ordered for it because of the color, because of everything, and because of squalene and elderberry. And I'm very happy that I'm satisfied and I can trust this product and I can keep buying this product because it just does both the job. As a makeup remover, it works beautifully, and as a cleanser on its own, when you just want to have something nice on your face and you just want a nice soft supple skin after you are done with your cleansing, actually instantly it just shows you that magic. And I am in love with it because of that reason, because it just adds back the moisture, it just protects the hydration that I have, it just gives a nice beautiful layer of moisture on your skin while you are washing and cleansing your beautiful skin. So love it. To my surprise, this one, I just ordered it because I just wanted something from the mask section. I love Sephora collection masks, and most of the time I try the face mask. Sheet masks are my favorite, period. This one is foot mask and with coconut element to it. When I put it on, I was having my fun time. It was a relaxing time. If you saw my picture on Instagram last Saturday, I tried it. And if you're not following me on Instagram, now's the time. You can search me with this name, somaroy.chaudhary at Instagram, and you will see all the pictures that I post every single day. So coming back to this one, it just relaxes the muscles. I felt that softness, smoothness and silkiness on my skin, and I was really enjoying this home spa time. And head to toe, I was actually trying different products that day. I was totally into that home spa mood, and this one, to my surprise, because I have never tried this, it just surprised me. You know, I was not expecting much from this. I just thought that, yeah, it will be a nice foot massage for me. So let's just try it. And now I'm going to buy a couple of more. I have tried this one, but I want to try the cactus one as well. And yeah, when I'm getting cactus one, I will get 2 or 3 more from this. And that time it was marked down. So now again, it is back to normal price, but it was even nicer, right? So I love this one. So it is a complete surprise and I'm super happy that I found it. And now it is like going to be a staple. You know, I have been talking about, raving about this rose oil because this is the lightest rose oil I have ever experienced, with the beautiful sweetness of roses, and actually it feels like roses, just like you smell a beautiful rose. It will just give you the experience and that velvety feel on your skin. I just love this product and I can't stop myself using this one because I know this is going to be a staple for me. I got it in a kit. That kit is really amazing. The hydration hits from Biossance, and now I'm going to go for a full size of this, or I'm going to try another kit which covers this product, because this product has to be in my beauty shelf, skincare shelf. I'm so much into it, loving it. All right, you guys already know I love YSL's Rouge Volupté Shine. I've got 2 more, but why I'm choosing this one, because this is very handy to me. I have been reaching out for this as a balm, I've been reaching out for this as a tint, and it is very comfortable on the lips. And even if I'm wearing mask, I go for this one because I know that underneath that my lips are feeling super luxurious and my lips are super hydrated, and this is treating it well. So I love it. This is my shade number 90. Today I'm wearing it with another product. Yes, coming right up. Did you just guess that product? All right, Sephora collection lip stain. No, this is not the product I was talking about. I love Sephora cream lip stain so much. Always Red is my all-time favorite, and this one, to my surprise, again this is a surprise element, this color, I just thought that this is something different, and most of the time I reach out for brights like reds, oranges and you know, fuchsias, but this was something different. And I just wanted to try it because sometimes I just go for those looks which are very artistic on the eyes, and I want some muted kind of effect on my lips. And this one is really a very beautiful color, but you have to try. You have to try this lipstick with different kind of looks. I have tried this one with a beautiful, purplish and whitish look. So purple, white, and that was inspired by a tulip, and that tulip was white and purple kind of tulip. So I just wanted to create that look on my eyes. And again, if you want to see the picture, go to Instagram and see that picture. And this just complemented the look so much. So this is my complimentary lipstick, which I love to pair with something artistic on my eyes. So I'm very glad that I chose it. Look at that, it is matching the lilac behind. Yep, those are the accents. I just love it. And because it's very comfortable on the lips, you can not go wrong with Sephora cream lip stains if you are looking for something which is matte and also gives you a comfortable matte kind of finish on the lips. And it has got full color payoff. I love it when I use it as a tint. I love it when I use it full on. So love the whole range, but this one, Purple Sunset, is the name of the product, of the lip color. Check it out. Markdown price. All right, Squalane Omega Repair Cream. Now I've been talking about these products so much that it's like so easy to talk about these products because it's very easy on my skin, and I love the product. I love the ingredients and everything about the whole brand. So more and more to try from Biossance. Of course, I love all the products, but I may not need all the products in my beauty shelf. So this one is a cream which is very comfortable on your skin. You can use it during daytime or nighttime. It is very rich, moisturizing, quickly absorbing, and it has got all the good properties that will seal the deal, seal the hydration, and of course create a nice barrier of moisturization all over your face. And I just love to use it as my hand cream also sometimes because it is very rich and it just gives me that soft suppleness plus a natural glow. I love this very much. And for all those things that I have a separate video on, I will definitely link those videos down below so that you can check those videos and see what you like, because those are more detailed. Yes, this is my new purchase. Yesterday I talked about it, but I tried it for 2-3 days, and I'm including this because it's a brow pencil, and whatever I need from a brow pencil, it is covering it all, plus it is giving me some good ingredients, and it is of course very pretty. I love it, and I'm going to try it throughout the month, and you will see that I may include it in my June favorites as well. Yeah, last but not least, my friends, Tower 28, you got to check it out. All the blushes are beautiful. This is my blush and I love it because I can use it on my cheeks and on my lips, and that's what I was talking about. I'm wearing this with my YSL, and yeah, it just is so pretty, and it's very cute, and it mixes and matches with everything. Whatever look I want to create on my eyes, if I have got something going on very dramatic or very artistic, I don't have to think twice that, oh, which color should I wear on my lips, because I've got this and it just looks very beautiful on my skin tone. There are so many other shades to choose from, so definitely check these blushes out. On that note, it's empty. So this is Soma saying bye to you. It was a fun ride and I am loving all the products. Of course, super excited for June and can't wait to try more products and share with all of you. For that, you have to subscribe subscribe and support this channel. I really appreciate your comments, and if you like the video, if you share this with your friends and family, that's the best compliment ever. Thank you so much for watching and spending your valuable time with me. See you.